Introduction to Saramali Tools. Today we are going to introduce the transmission filling tool, a professional-grade solution designed to make transmission oil filling faster, cleaner, and more precise for modern vehicles. Filling transmission oil is often messy, time-consuming, and inconsistent. Traditional methods can lead to oil spills, inaccurate fluid levels, and difficulty accessing tight or sealed transmission systems. For gearboxes with overflow-type designs, overfilling is a common issue, resulting in wasted oil, potential damage, and extra cleanup. That's why we have transmission filling tool eliminates these challenges with a controlled pump system and an intelligent return flow function. It delivers smooth, direct oil transfer into the gearbox while automatically redirecting excess oil back into the tank, ensuring the correct oil level every time without mess or guesswork. This tool comes with 7.5L large capacity tank, allows longer operation without frequent refills, improving workshop efficiency. Second, there are 13-piece adapter set, designed for broad compatibility with various transmission systems, including European and Asian vehicles. Now let's upgrade your workshop with the transmission filling tool with 13 PCS adapter set.